Hello everyone, and welcome to this short video about dependent pick lists. This video will show you how to create a simple pick list field, create a dependency, and then what the end user experience is like. If you're not sure what a pick list is, think of it as a drop down with a few options for you to choose from. As the administrator, you'll be able to choose what pick list values will be available for end users to choose from. On this opportunity record, if I go in and click on the stage field, as you can see, we have a few options to choose from. Imagine you work for a car dealership and we capture the make and the model of the car our customers would like to purchase. Currently, as you can see, we only have the make field, so we need to go ahead and create the model field. This text document has all the values I want to add into this new model pick list field. I want to go back into Salesforce and click into Setup, through to Object Manager, and I'm going to create this field on the opportunities, then click Field and Relationships, and then click New Field at the top right. Now you need to choose what data type we're going to create. So I'm going to select the pick list field, and for the label for this one is going to be model. Select the radio button which says Enter Values, and I'm going to copy and paste the values from my text document and paste them into this box here. Salesforce knows when you put a new line in this box, that's going to be a new value. When you're happy with that, go through and click Next. And I'm going to enable this for all profiles just for this demonstration purpose. And if I click Next, I'm also going to allow this field to be put onto all the opportunity page layouts. If I navigate across to the opportunity record, you can see our new model pick list field. If I go in and add a new value, you can see I have all the options that I pasted in. So now we've created these two fields, they are just two individual pick list fields. We can select any of the values. However, our sales reps are putting in car models which aren't related to the car make. These inaccuracies are affecting our data quality. So what we can create is a dependency between these two pick list fields. So when a user selects a car make, they can only then select models that are related to that car make. So let's go and have a look at how to create this dependency. So in Setup, go to Object Manager and then go down to Opportunities, click Fields and Relationships, and in the top right hand side you'll see Dependencies. Click on New, and we're going to make the controlling the make and the dependent the model. Our model is dependent on the option selected in the make pick list. Click Continue. Now we need to select the values which are related to each of the options. So I'm going to go through and select the correct model for each of the makes. Now let's go back to our opportunity record and see this dependency in action. If I go through now and select BMW, I can now only select models which are from BMW. If I then change the make to Aston Martin, I only have Aston Martin models to choose from. This dependency is really easy to set up, but now allows you to collect a higher quality of data. No mistakes from data entry. This can also be used elsewhere in Salesforce. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.